The third product on this list is the Brio AQUUS. Here's a device for those who care deeply about the quality of their tap water. With NSF and ANSI certified filtration, this tankless RO system effectively eliminates a wide array of contaminants, ranging from chlorine to heavy metals, guaranteeing your family has access to pure, delicious water. One of its most notable features is its space-saving design, ensuring you retain a significant portion of your under-sink storage space. The integrated tankless system not only saves space but also eliminates the common risk of recontamination found in systems with tanks. Moreover, we love its intelligent faucet, complete with a TDS meter and filter life reminder, providing real-time water quality information. This makes monitoring and managing your water usage an effortless endeavor. Furthermore, it offers 2 filtration modes, one for everyday tasks like washing produce and another for drinking and cooking. With an impressive 800 gallons per day output and a 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, the Brio AQUUS ensures a constant supply of purified water while significantly reducing water waste compared to traditional systems. This system not only provides cleaner water but also effectively contributes to reducing plastic bottle usage, making it an eco-conscious choice for households. Installation is straightforward, and filter replacements are a breeze, guaranteeing you always have access to pure, refreshing water. See goodbye to tap water worries with the Brio AQUUS. Its pros are: it has a compact, tankless design that saves up to 70% of under-sink space. It has a smart LED faucet that provides real-time TDS monitoring and filter life reminders, making it easy to manage water quality and filter replacements. And it has a 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, saves 300% on water waste compared to traditional systems, and encourages a reduction in single-use plastic bottle consumption. However, it requires regular filter replacement for optimal performance, which can be an ongoing cost. The Brio AQUUS is an excellent choice for health-conscious households seeking NSF-certified, space-saving filtration with a minimal water waste footprint, providing clean, delicious water for families and eco-warriors alike.